in this question, 4 waves are shown, and we need to figure out which wave is labeled correctly and it actually showing the actual values for time period t, lambda, amplitude, displacement, and distance. Let's see. So let's see them one by one. So for A, it is saying that from this point to this point, it is saying that this is lambda. Yeah, we can say that this is lambda, and it is labeling from mean position to the highest position. They're labeling this as the amplitude. Yeah, we can say that this is amplitude. So yeah, we can actually, and so we have to figure out the lambda and the amplitude. So they haven't mentioned the time period t. So we are good to go with A, but let's figure out what other options have to say. So this is marked as amplitude. Yeah, this is right. And this is marked as time period. However, this is not the time period. Why? Because time period is for time period is only, you can only label the time on x-axis if its x-axis is labeled in time, right? But the x-axis is measured in distance, meters, right? So we cannot say that this value from here to here is representing time. All right, this is representing a distance. This is labeled as the t, so this is representing distance. So this cannot be an option. Similarly, this one, they are saying that this is time period. Again, this cannot be an option straight. So on this, they're saying that this is lambda. Yeah, we can say that this is lambda because lambda is measured in meters and x-axis is also labeled in meters. But the problem is they're saying this is the amplitude. However, amplitude is always from the mean position to the maximum position. Right? So this should be the amplitude. Right? So this cannot be an option. So yes, the correct option is option A. Why? Because both lambda and amplitude are labeled correctly.